Have you seen it, sir?
Yep,
Yes.
seen it.
Okay. I'm start with the meeting. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Okay. So today we'll discuss about uh, Kubernetes, the error before. Okay. For this meeting, I guess we will start first. Okay. First about the personal base. I don't know about personal base for this weekly, but I think I have any personal base over here. I'm just learning about Kubernetes and Docker. I think that's it for the personal base. And then for the business base, because I don't finish or deploy, I think I will finish my work about deploying this category OCR. I think there's no personal business base for now.
Okay.
Okay, we jump to the scorecard review. Okay, this number of process image still 0.
Okay.
Okay, and then number of fraud detection 0 because not
Okay.
uh, it's
Yeah.
not yet deployed
Mm,
well. There's still an error, and then number of commit
yeah.
it's 2, I guess 2 for this week.
So I hope the process image will go some number, yeah, in less than 30 days.
Okay, sir. And then we'll get that video.
Mm-hmm.
I already posted last week.
Okay.
It okay, it's ready, so I got it.
Okay.
If it remains so
So
I can.
for next week, please post about what you learned with Docker and Kubernetes and GitLab CI, yeah.
Okay, sir. But sir, next week I will go to the office because
Mm-hmm.
I want you to show me how to deploy the Kubernetes or CI/CD, but with manual way,
With
not
what?
manual way.
Manual
With
way.
yeah, there's fast way and manual way, but the manual way I forget how to deploy it.
Okay. Yeah, you can come next week, but um, at least uh, I think you can create several videos. Yeah, maybe like
Oh,
just because you haven't covered Docker yet, right? Because even
okay.
just covering Docker takes a lot of time, you know,
Oh,
from
okay, sir.
from the Docker file and then Docker build and
Mhm.
yeah and stuff and stuff. Okay,
Okay, sir.
up to Docker push because the last part of Docker will be Docker push to the container
Huh?
registry, and
Okay.
you can do Docker push manually, right, without GitLab
Uh,
CI.
okay.
And
I will try it.
yeah, at least if you can get the Docker video done, that will be very good
Okay, sir.
because before going to GitLab CI, yeah, because
Okay.
even just Docker, I think there's a lot of things that you can cover just talking about Docker.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, and
Okay.
hopefully your friends, maybe if your friends are interested, maybe in your class or in your university, interested about DevOps and deployment, yeah, I really hope that your video on Docker will be useful for them.
Okay, sir. Because yesterday or I guess yesterday there was there was a lab in Telkom
Mm.
University who held uh, seminar about
Mm.
Docker things. So I follow them.
Mm.
Maybe maybe I can see there was if I can see in there how many people that interested with Docker.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, all right. But
Uh,
uh, there probably there is a difference between the people who are interested in Docker and the number of companies who are interested and also are already using Docker and already looking for engineers who can use Docker. Yeah.
okay.
So based on what I know, this is not scientific, yeah, but based on what I know, the number of companies who are using Docker is already quite a lot, yeah, and they are growing, and they're growing very quickly. Maybe you can search because all of the cloud platforms nowadays, AWS, Azure, Google, Alibaba, and so on, all of them, and even also DigitalOcean, yeah, all of them support Kubernetes. And even for those who do not support Kubernetes, they support Docker. So it's if the cloud providers support Kubernetes and Docker, that's because they can sell these services, right? Because if nobody or only a few companies want them, then the cloud providers will not need to invest in that service to sell, right?
Yep. Yep.
But actually, these services are in high demand by the companies and growing. I would say the growing is quickly, year after year. There's a good growth of Kubernetes and Docker technology.
Okay.
So if people, if people or engineers or students are not yet interested in Docker, I would say they should be.
Okay. Yep, because like you say, there's a lot of company that grow with Docker things. Kubernetes.
Yeah, it definitely makes things a lot easier, you know.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so next.
Okay, so for the rock review, I want to log that of the customer can use this app maybe this 31 Augustus.
Okay.
August. Okay.
Right. Yeah, hopefully. Although you need a UI, so you need to collaborate with Kevin for
Wait.
that, yeah.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Sorry.
Yeah, but
Okay.
but Kevin's app also needs your service to be working, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Actually, when Kevin's app is done, then that means the users can already use it. Although then the processing will be manual. But if both of your apps are working properly and deployed, and that means from the user side, user can upload their photos, and from the backend side, then a lot of the backend can be processed automatically. So I don't know yet how much of them will be processed automatically, but I'm actually very curious here to know how much percentage of the ID card images can be processed automatically, and which ones that your system say, oh, I don't have confidence in this photo.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then next for the customer, there's still no reports about that.
Okay.
And then to do list, maybe I should finish onboarding, but
Okay.
maybe I should write debugging for uh, debugging about last week. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, so I'll write it like that. And then for the sixth one is okay, we can skip that. And then for the issues list, I already run the how to run. I don't know how to run pods on terminal. I I already tried, but it's got I don't know it right syntax or not, but it got an error. Maybe you can help me, sir.
Okay, let's try it now.
Okay, I will change it. Wait. Okay. Did you see my Visual Studio Code?
Okay.
Okay. Wait. I correct some
All right.
syntax.
Okay. So yeah, do kubectl get pods without all namespaces, yeah, because your app is in the default namespace. Just to
Get
be
pods.
simple. Yeah.
Sorry. Get pods. Okay, this is one
Okay.
of.
Right. Now, what you want to do is how to do port forwarding, right?
Yep.
Okay. So kubectl port forward.
kubectl forward like this. Forward.
Port
Okay.
forward using dash, yeah. Port dash forward.
Or just like this.
Dash is a character actually.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's just like like wait. How many that's this one
Just one, and don't use space.
and
Don't use space.
don't use space. Oh, okay. Like this.
Okay. And then the port name,
Okay.
and then the host port.
Host port is host port, right?
Host port.
Okay.
Okay. And then colon. And then the container port. All right. Try it. Okay. And now, can you open a terminal but using split
Okay.
terminal one? Yeah. Okay. And then you can kubectl logs space min f dash f space the port name. Okay. And try it on your browser.
Okay. I want to put it. Oh,
Okay, still
that's
error.
yep.
Okay, can you check the error?
It's still
The same.
say
Okay, can you
like
scroll up? Can you scroll up? Okay, do you still get that same warning as before?
yep. I already changed it from string to full from buffer.
Yeah, but can you scroll up to make sure that the warning is not there? Okay, it's still there.
Wait, oh, still wait. I already changed it, right? Okay.
So something is wrong here. Can you check your GitLab container registry?
Wait. Duh, ke depan. Loh. Wait. I already posted.
Okay, so you have not deployed it to GitLab.
I already applied to GitLab before.
No,
Maybe.
how did you do it? How did you do it?
Okay. I searched it on
Try
YouTube before
again.
because I forget how to deploy it. Wait. There was.
Okay, 2 hours ago. That's nice. Okay, check the build.
And I just
Okay. Okay, cool. And let's see.
Really? Wait, on the YouTube channel, I just try after I push after I commit and push it to my GitLab.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
it's only
okay, so please go to. Can you scroll up a bit? Can you scroll up a bit just to ensure? Okay, hold. Okay, copy min n.py. All right. Okay, so now go to the repository sidebar on the left.
okay.
Okay, and then files. Okay, and then this is the master branch, right? So please
Yep.
change to the prod branch.
Just to
Yeah, change to prod. Okay, and then open the main n.p file.
wait, okay.
Yeah, this is the file, right?
Yep.
Okay, then check.
Still form string, not buffer.
So you have not pushed it there.
I already pushed it before on my. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I pushed it to master, not to prod. That's the
Okay.
problem.
Okay, so please push to prod now.
How do I push to prod? Can I edit it over here?
No, you must not. That's bad practice. Use
Okay,
Git.
sir.
Use Git. Okay.
Okay.
So I
Wait.
want things to be done properly, not using, the
The
preman
best
way.
way.
Yeah? The preman
Okay.
way. No preman way. Need to do it
Okay, sir.
properly. Even if it
Okay.
takes longer, but when you do it properly, it's a good habit.
Okay. How do I push to
You can use the
the
command
other branch?
line. You can use the command line. Yeah.
Okay.
You can create a new terminal, or actually you can, because you will not need it, because you will push it again. Okay.
Yep.
Git push origin
Git push origin
master
master
colon
con
prod.
run
Okay.
like this.
Yep.
It was origin master.
Okay. So check it out. Yeah, you need to put that on the documentation somewhere, yeah, on about Lovia Live, on how to push to a specific branch. Just remember.
Wait.
Yeah, okay. So that's your own notes, but please make those notes on our Lovia handbook.
I will make my own notes first, and then I
Yeah,
will make
sure.
anyone of it.
Sure. Make your own notes, but also put the notes on our Lovia handbook. Okay. Can you check first on the GitLab repository? Make sure that the file is now updated in the prod. Okay. Check on the main n.p.
From buffer. Okay.
Okay, and then check on the CI/CD first. Make sure the CI/CD is done, and then after that you check the. Okay, so yeah, we can follow this build process. Wait until it's done. You can click on the stages like the pie icon, the pie icon. Yeah, you can click on there.
Over here, retry.
Don't retry. Just click on the just click on the big thing. Okay, so it's already succeeded. Now check on the container registry. Make sure that the container registry has an updated image now.
Oh, wait. Pause.
Okay,
50 seconds ago.
cool. 50 seconds ago. Now deploy to Kubernetes again.
Okay.
Kubernetes.
Forgot. Wait. Should I to delete like before?
Yeah, just like that. Actually, there is another way. It's called roll out, I think, but I haven't ever used it yet. So I think this is actually a bad way to redeploy. It should be kubectl rollout, yeah. But honestly, I have never used it. But maybe you can Google kubectl rollout. Okay. Yeah, you can make your note first on Git.
kubectl
Rollout.
rollout.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's it. It's a feature that I have never used, honestly. So actually, this should be used instead of deleting pods. Yeah, that's the proper way to redeploy.
Wait.
Okay. Yeah, but that's for the later.
It's already done, sir.
Okay, cool.
Do the
I think you want to make a note on Git push. Can you complete that note?
I will write it later. I still remember.
Okay. So check the pods first. Make sure that the new pod is running.
It's running, sir.
Okay. Now, yeah, do another pod forward and follow the logs and test it.
I forgot feedback. Pod forward ID card instructor. Okay. What? Okay, and then before done like this. Wait, that's right.
Okay. Now try again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Oh, the error.
Still error.
Yep.
Okay, let's check it out.
It's still the same like before.
Okay, scroll up. Let's see what happens. Do you still have the...
Oh, it was different from before.
Okay, what is this? Okay. I have a suspicion why the behavior is different, yeah. Even though it's using the same Docker container, I think it's because that the web server is different. Okay, so because previously it goes straight to the Docker container, but when deployed to Kubernetes, first it goes to the Kubernetes Kubernetes server ya, before being forwarded to the app. So maybe the data that is being passed is different. So let's see why this is error. Okay. Let's build there. Private resolution. Get pandas output. But this time it's image to data. Oh, I see. So the error is in a different part as well. Okay. So this time it's on the PyTesseract itself. Okay. So I think I have a hunch on how to fix this. Okay, can you open? Oh, this is your on your own local computer, yeah. Can you I think let's test it using Gitpod first, yeah. Let's go to your Gitpod workspace, and then pull from there.
Why use Gitpod, not Visual Studio?
Can you run your program in Visual Studio?
I can.
Oh, using Docker, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can use your computer link. Okay, so please go to okay, online 82. Okay, or maybe I'll ask remote control. Yeah, how do I ask for remote control here? Can I ask for remote control, or you need to allow that from your part? Can you allow remote control?
What's the remote?
On Zoom, is there a menu to allow remote control?
Wait.
I'm also looking for it actually.
I'll stop sharing first.
Okay. What I'm trying to do is actually I want to block the information about the file that is being processed. Yeah. File binary. Okay. File proof. Yeah. So this one is actually file proof. So okay, and then I can print and of proof this much. Okay, and then this is image from array. Okay, and then you make a threshold, right? Okay, so actually, so that means all of the processing here is working correctly, right?
Yep.
So actually, a good way is actually to make to save them. So these are all okay. So maybe how about, do you know a function to display like summary information about the file in CV2? Maybe like display some like width, height, something like that. Can
Oh,
you put
I
that
don't
in
know.
the
I don't. I
function?
don't know. I never
Okay,
used it.
okay, maybe you can look it up. So
What's
basically,
that?
I only need to suggest like width, height, and channel number of colors, yeah, something like that. Should CV2 should have it. I think in NumPy it's like shape, yeah. NumPy has shape, right?
Yep.
CV2, I don't know.
Well, it's just like an info of the object.
Yeah, like summary, yeah, whatever information. Oh, I think there is shape as well. Okay. Oh, it's shape. It's just shape. Okay. So please put shape in there. So that means
Where?
self.image.shape.
Self.image that's overhead.
No, not that one. The one on 85.
85. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. There.
Before commas or
Yeah.
after comma?
Before, of course, because that's the first one. Self.image.shape.
Okay.
Okay. So please do that for each line. So do that for image crop and then do that again for gray. And I think do that also for TH and threshold, yeah. Just to make sure that we are getting the exact same image on every process of the way.
Image crop and then the other things too.
Yeah, do it also. Do the same printing thing, just to ensure that we are getting the exact same.
Wait.
Yeah, although you should change the text, yeah. If you are printing out image crop, then that should be image crop. Right. So this is a live debugging session on Zoom. Yay.
Veg. Okay. And the other one is the grade 2 and threshold 2. So I print it.
Yeah, you please also do that for gray and also for TH and threshold.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay, so build this and then run it on your on computer first. So at least now you know how it works. I mean the log, yeah. You know the logs here. Oh wait, is there anything else after this? Can you try to go down? Okay. What is the processing after this one? Is it on get core master process or something? Okay. So the problem is on PyTesseract dot something, yeah. So it's way before this one, yeah, I guess.
Yep.
So it's, I think it's PyTesseract dot image something, yeah. Cell process. Okay, image to data. Okay, so the data is from threshold, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so if we get the same threshold, then should be the same output. All right.
Yep.
So try it now. I think the build should be quick here. Okay. Nice. So now you already remember this command.
Yeah, so
Good job.
I click yeah. Okay. No, there's an error, sir.
Huh? It's no attribute shape. That's weird. I think there should be, yeah. Should be something like this.
There should be a shape over here.
Okay. Oh, that's for the crop, yeah. That's for the crop. That means that before the crop, it's actually working. So maybe you can comment for the crop one.
For the crop.
Yeah, comment that one.
Two of them.
Yeah, only that one. But don't comment the one below.
Wait.
Just the print one.
Oh, just the print one.
Yeah. Because the problem is the print, yeah.
Yeah.
The previous logic is correct. Okay. So try again.
Okay. Let me do it again. And then that again. Okay. There you go. This for image
Okay.
gray. This one also.
Okay, that's good. So now please commit push this and then commit push to prod so that we can test on Kubernetes.
Should I delete the print syntax? Should I comment the print syntax?
No, because we need it.
Okay.
Because we need it to. Oh wait. I think for the first one, line 83, that should be len. Oh, I think, but I think this is okay. Or maybe it should be 2, yeah. Or maybe I will check this. Okay, so this would be. What I mean is that something like this, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I think this will be clearer, yeah. Because then you have a len, and then you have the content of the array itself to make sure that this is actually the same. Okay, so please run this first again from local, and then we can push to Git.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. So check it out. Okay, 304.222, right. Okay, so please push, and then we'll check what the Kubernetes sees here. Actually, there should be a better way of debugging this here, but for now this is okay. After update, there should not be any space here. So just update and then, yeah.
That's okay, it's done. And then check for the okay. Wait. Should I push it to prod?
Yep, of course.
Okay, the syntax. Like what? Git push. Okay. No. Git push origin master. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's done. Okay, and then okay.
Okay, cool.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay. Then forgot about syntax again. Wait. Forward.
Yay, Kubernetes engineer. Yeah. But it's good, yeah, that you get this error because then you get to know Kubernetes a lot.
Wait. Maybe there's top from it. Is it okay if it was already updated and deployed to CI/CD with my GitLab and
Yeah.
it's
So
building?
when you delete it, by default, it will re-download the container image.
Forgot to delete. Okay.
Hmm.
Forget that. Sorry.
Because you push to container registry using tag latest. That means the latest has changed. And because the latest has changed, then Kubernetes will re-download the image, the new image. But that is the default behavior, yeah. Actually, that behavior can be changed. For example, it can be changed that if the image is already exists on Kubernetes, then it will not download again. But that is not default behavior. The default behavior is that it will download the image again. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Although, yeah, we know that this will cause error, but let's see the logs. And then compare it with the logs that you had before, yeah? Compare it with the logs that you...
Okay.
Okay, that's weird. Okay, compare it with the logs that you had before on your own computer. Okay, that's weird, yeah.
Oh,
Seems to be the
this,
same. Okay, can you scroll down because there is a newer log on your computer actually. No, not that. The log on your own computer.
test.
Did you test it again?
Test.
Yeah. There should be a newer log on your own computer. Okay.
Sorry,
There
the
should be a newer log. Okay. Test 1, 2, 3. Hello,
link
hello,
connection.
hello.
It's already connected.
Okay. Wait. Test. Okay. There should be a newer log on your computer. There should be a newer log that has
On
the like
the
on your own
left,
computer, yeah. The log on your own computer, on your own Docker.
on Docker.
Yeah. Scroll up.
Uh,
Okay. Until the logs that you can compare. Okay. Wait. You missed it. Okay.
wait.
Okay. Maybe down. That's the last log. That's weird. Or maybe you haven't tested it, right? Maybe you haven't tested it before. Okay, that's okay. But just compare. Okay, let's compare again.
Okay.
What I mean is let's compare the last log of the last build. But I think maybe you did not test the last build, right?
I already tested and it runs, right?
Yeah, but I mean that the print is different because the print on line 83, there should be two information. Okay, check it out. Check the log. Check the log on your own Docker, on your own computer. Because there is a log from Kubernetes and there is the log on your own computer, right? So check both logs. Show it side by side. Okay. Wait. Until okay, that one, and then the other log from your own computer.
Over here.
Okay, so that's why it's a bit different. But where's the file booth?
File proof. Oh, what's the file? Wait.
Yeah, that's what I mean. There should be a file booth.
Oh. Oh,
Maybe it's before or something. Okay, yeah, but that's what I mean. It's still using the old code, right?
Sorry.
Okay, but even from this, it does seem that the input is exactly the same. The image seems to be the same. Image gray is still the same, and then threshold is also the same. Okay, so up until that part, it seems that nothing is wrong.
Yep.
Okay,
I'm sorry, I can be more.
Huh? What?
I'm
Can you
sorry,
hear
I
me?
can. I can hear you. I'm sorry, I can be more fixed because it's new for me using this Kubernetes.
Okay, what I mean is that by using this, it confirms that it seems that both your computer and Kubernetes are using the same image, are receiving the same image. So this is what we are trying to look for. Okay. So what I'm trying to confirm is that if maybe the file booth is different, the bytes are different and something, and that will cause an error. Okay, I have another hunch. Probably this is because we are putting too few RAM. Okay, so can you open the YAML file, ID card extractor YAML? Okay, and then go down. and then change the memory to 1000, both the one on top on 60 and then on 63. Change that to 1000.
Okay.
Okay, and then save it, and then deploy this file to Kubernetes. Apply this file to Kubernetes.
Apply this file to Kubernetes.
Uh-uh.
Like before?
Yeah, like the first time you deploy to Kubernetes.
Okay.
Do you know how?
I forget to.
Okay, kubectl apply. Yeah, you can, yeah, because it will automatically redeploy the pod anyway. Apply space -f space file name.
File name.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure to specify the folder as well, yeah. The file name of the YAML file. Or maybe the path of the YAML file.
Like this one?
Try it. And it will be error. So okay, and you can put this on your note, yeah.
So I just copied the path over here like this.
It doesn't have to be complete path, but it has to be relative path to this one. You missed 5 characters actually. Yep, from that part. Usually, yeah, and usually you will use slash, yeah, not backslash. Okay. Okay, now try to port forward and then logs again. So let's see if this solves the problem. Yeah.
Wait. I have to copy them.
Okay. So do port forward and then do logs.
Yeah. And then try again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Congratulations.
How we can you just change the number of 100 to 1000?
Just guessing actually.
How can you
actually
guess that?
No, actually we should try to use the lowest amount of we should make a limit of the lowest amount that can still make the app run. Okay. So yeah, at first I tried 100 megabytes, yeah, or 100 maybe bytes.
Yeah, maybe
100 megabytes, and it turns out that CV2 and PyTesseract requires more memory than that.
Oh, I see.
So that means, yeah, it probably crashed. But yeah, the error from the crash is not clear. Yeah, it should say something like out of memory or something, which will be very clear if it says out of memory. Yeah, but yeah, but it's good. Actually, after this, you should experiment by lowering maybe 500, and if 500 still working, maybe you lower it to 400 something and get a number that is stable but is not using too much memory from the Kubernetes cluster, because the RAM from the Kubernetes cluster is limited, right? Actually, we have a total of about 13 gigabytes of the Kubernetes cluster currently. And if you notice, that total number of RAM is still lower than the RAM that you can use on your Gitpod instance.
Yeah, of course that I know that.
Yeah,
Okay.
but of course there's a difference, because the Gitpod instance usually people only use several hours, yeah, per day or several hours per week. But the Kubernetes instance is running 24 hours per day, and yeah, but good job. I like this one. However, it's still not finished. Yeah.
Yep.
The next step is to have a service, to have a service, and also to have a service load balancer ingress. Yeah. Service load balancer ingress, and the last one is DNS. Yeah.
Can you write it down on to-do list, sir?
Oh, you write it. I will correct you if it's wrong.
Okay, I'm afraid
Yeah.
it was not
Yeah.
like
Service. Yeah.
okay.
First is service.
Service.
Yeah. Okay. For this one is actually called deployment. Yeah. For this one is called deployment with a big D, yeah? With a capital D. And then you can check that because it's done. Okay. And then the next one will be service with a capital S.
Okay.
And then the next one will be load balancer ingress.
Load balance.
Yeah.
Load balancer.
Ingress.
Ingress.
Yeah.
Increase.
No. Ingress is INGRESS.
Like this. Like this.
Using E, not A.
Ingress.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so happy because it was already deployed.
Okay. Balancer using N. Eh? Balancer using N. Yeah. Balancer. Balance. There is an N.
Oh.
Yep. Okay. And then the last one will be DNS CNAME record.
DNS.
CNAME record.
CNAME.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's correct.
Record.
Yeah. And actually, DNS and CNAME should all be uppercase. Yeah. Okay. But this basically just like administrative tasks. It's like the same for pretty much all applications. Yeah. But the one before that we debugged is specific to that application. So that's the hard part. These ones are quite easy actually. So maybe we can continue that on Monday next week when you come here. But before that, so that one before, please push to GitHub, GitLab.
Okay.
The changes that you made, please push to GitLab. And I think before service, you should add a task. The to-do should be experiment with the memory settings, So get the lowest memory setting that's still stable, That's still stable. So what I mean stable is that maybe if you try several times with different photos, it still does not crash. Okay. Okay. So because we already know that it can do it with 1,000 maybe bytes, but maybe it can do it with 900, right? Maybe 800 or something. So yeah, I would say this is very good today. So congratulations for running your first service on Kubernetes.
Okay, sir.
Still using port forward, so not like a real service where you can actually open it. But as I told you, the next steps are actually the easier ones. Nice.
Okay, so the conclude is we already finished the deployment. I guess I'm very happy because it was my first application that did OCR. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Without you, maybe I can deploy these things and I can touch. Maybe I can maybe this we can say it touch the Kubernetes and Docker things. I would say thanks a lot. It means a lot for me too. Okay, I think that's it. And do you want to tell me about suggestion or comments?
No, just this rating, and your job is to make the videos, at least on Docker, and if you can create with GitLab CI and Kubernetes, that would be great. Yeah, I would be expecting that before Monday.
I expect after Monday. I'll try my best, but I'm not.
Okay. Or at least before Monday for Docker only, For Docker only, I think you can do that before Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Because that will be useful for your own documentation. At least for your own documentation, Okay, Monday is still 2 days, so that's a lot of time. And basically, you only make like 10 minutes video, right? 10 minutes, 2 days. It's a lot of time.
There's 24 hours a day.
You may take shower longer than that. You know what?
Okay. Okay. So how many ratings that you will give for this meeting, sir?
Yeah, you first.
Okay, because this is I really like this meeting because it trained me so well. I'll give it 10.
Okay, I will give it a 9.
Okay.
Right. So I actually expected that this meeting can already solve up to DNS, but that took quite a long time before. But I'm also happy because the core issue has been found, and it was great. That's great.
Okay. Okay, I can finish this meeting.
Okay.
Once again, thanks a lot, sir. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.